This little talk begins with some rhyming. Consult Dr. Seuss for a lesson in timing. But this is no fable for kids getting tucked in. It's a wake-up adults talk for the nightmares we're stuck in. A talk without questions, but full of good answers. A talk without answers, but full of good questions. Ones to choose slowly for mindful digestion. Like, why do most people see just red or blue? Could there be more than one valid view? Are opinions synonymous with what is true? Is this what our founders envisioned we'd do? Old Honest Abe. Now he was the man. A house this divided cannot long stand. He was Republican, President Lincoln, and I'd like to see more of the ways he was thinking. How have opinions gotten more rigid? How has the Cold War gotten more frigid? What's making extremes so darn attractive? What could be making our brains so reactive? I've cooked up a theory that needs more cooking, that points to the glasses through which we've been looking. A dark pair of lenses that filter out light till all we can see is just black and white. No room for discussion. You're wrong and I'm right. Blood pressure rises, adrenaline spikes, till I'm left with three options: fight, flight, or fright. And when on the menu there's only 3 F's, it brings out my worst traits and hides all the rest. No listening to you. It's time to go tribal, to stick with my own kind and steer clear of rivals. My rivals are totally up to no good. They simply cannot be the least understood. I've learned this from news shows that tend to agree with my view of the world and the way it should be. Whether it's Fox or MSNBC, it all sure sounds fair and balanced to me. Could it be most of us are now wearing these glasses, letting the media blow smoke up our asses? Using the internet for amplifying the reasons the other side needs demonizing. Our differences seemingly so polarizing. We can spend half the day back and forth analyzing. And through algorithms, we see only our tribe and think the whole world is applauding our side. The trespassing's always those other dumb asses, and never the fault of our own faulty glasses. May this talk help us take off those glasses and see what we all have in common: our humanity. Thank you.